perhaps their entire evaluation of Medallia. Tell me how an Anthropic doesn't come out with an update one day that just disrupts this and everybody goes to Anthropic.
Yeah, great question. So we're model agnostic. You can plug in any model into this and configure it. So if you have your own preferred model at your organization or a partnership with them, or you run it on your own cloud, you can use that here. As models get better, our product gets better. What we've built is a way for the AI to really excel at this really complex environment where there's data coming from multiple places, people working from the same environment, and a way to collaborate and undo and see what the AI did in real time, accept those changes. So there's a products layer here that doesn't fall out of just building a better model. And if you look at what these other companies have done, the foundation models, they've been kind of replacing the thin wrappers around those models that kind of do one thing really well. But this is a way more complex product that you need to build for, and it's not going to come out of building a better model.
Tell us about the end user experience, right? How easy is it for the end user to use the platform?
It requires zero training. So you have in this environment already spreadsheet formulas that everybody knows with full feature parity with what is available in standard spreadsheet providers. So users can build a whole financial model if they want through that kind of way they used to build, so they don't have to learn anything else. The difference is now they can share their work, invite somebody to collaborate with them, and have an AI alongside that understands that, sees what they're doing, and can help fix a formula, whatever, turn it into a presentation, turn it into a dashboard, share those analysis, pull the data. So it's built, from my experience, having used those tools for a long time, always with the idea that you shouldn't take the power away from the user to build things the way they want. So it's very flexible and requires essentially zero training to get going. Obviously, there are more features here than there are in the things they use, but that's an incremental process for them to kind of discover more things. But to answer specifically tactically, when we deploy to these organizations, there's a pilot and a training period for us to get people acclimated with it, but it turns out that they all say, well, it looks like what I already use today.
So is your product, so it's tailorable to whatever the company needs are? So
I couldn't hear you really well.
Is this product, can you tailor it to what a company needs, or it's just one package, it's everything?
Great question. It's a little bit of both, because it's the same product for everybody, but it's extensible. So you see the list of extensions here. You can just install whatever is available at the organization. We offer a bunch of them, but if the company wants to offer just a few of them, they can offer their own marketplace of extensions, they can build their own, so on and so forth. So it fits most uses, but it can always extend it to the specific things that they need.
Okay, thank you.
So say your company is going through a large change and you use this to create a pathway for that change within the company. Are you able to provide feedback so it could learn about the reaction and how your company responds to it? Like, does it adapt?
Do you mean the AI adapts to that? So the AI will learn anything about the project you're working on. The way we built this is you think of it in terms of projects. So if I have my sales forecast for the year, the AI will keep memories about how I'm building that and reference work you've done in the past and work you've done in that specific project to understand the specifics of it. And then with the ability to also build specific agents, you can also further tailor it to that reality. So if this is actually one of the advantages of being able to kind of let the user configure this and work with them to configure if they need our help, so that they can build, look, we're going through this and I need your help to do X, Y, and Z, and these are the data sources that we use, etc. So it helps the AI a little bit, kind of steer in the right direction so it has the right context and the right data at its fingertips.
Give us some insights on the ground for what the B2B sales process is like out there now. Obviously, every company wants to use AI to help lead through growth and become more efficient, but I'm sure there's some hesitation because of how quickly evolving the market is, that they sign up too quick and your product's obsolete.
I only have 15 seconds, so I'm going to breeze through it. So I think we're at a point where AI has matured, and a lot of companies have tried something that kind of like fizzled out, didn't deliver on their promises. So when we come to them and show this is how it's going to work, it really resonates with them that they're using the same data that they already use. Bring the files they use. You can bring your existing files into this workspace. You don't lose anything, and it's built for like the day-to-day work they do. So they've been very receptive to it, which is not to say that it's a easy, quick process, because B2B to enterprise, it takes time. So the pilot has been perfect in helping us kind of start with a smaller team, scope to specific success criteria, and then deliver on that to expand to a bigger project. Thank you.
Where's the company located? In Brooklyn, Miami. Very good. How many employees does it have more or less? 5. You're working for it too?
Yes,
What are you doing?
I'm a lawyer, but I'm like chief of staff. I help manage clients, I write the contracts,
What kind of a lawyer are you?
I'm sorry.
What